A New York Times guacamole recipe suggestion sparked an internet meltdown. Peas? That's not right. Hey everybody, it's Keri with Buzz60, and the New York Times started quite the debate when they posted a brand new recipe for guacamole that included peas. The tweet included a picture of this new recipe with the caption, "Add peas to your guacamole. Trust us." Guess what? No one trusts you. Many people agreed that this new way to make the classic dip is just wrong. The Texas Republican Party declared the addition of peas to guacamole as a war against Texas. Republican presidential candidate Jeb Bush also sided against the peas. And the president even weighed in against this travesty of a recipe redo, saying, quote, "Respect the New York Times, but not buying peas in guacamole. Onions, garlic, hot peppers, classic." So, the New York Times has done the impossible. They've gotten Republicans and Democrats to agree on something. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.